Do you feel like your life is a little stagnant, like maybe you're not reaching your full potential and you feel a little lost? If so, it's probably happening because you're lying to yourself. And this video is for you. Hey, what's up everyone? Claudia here. Welcome back to another video where we always strive to help you be your best version each and every single time. We live in a world, in a society that highly encourages us to tell the truth at all times, to be honest, and to not lie to others. However, people don't seem to care whenever you lie to the most important person in your life, and that is yourself. Because in reality, the only person who is responsible for you is you. According to Zig Ziglar, F-E-A-R, fear has two meanings: forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. And it's so true, because in reality, the reason why we lie to ourselves, the reason why we tell ourselves things that aren't true, or we make ourselves believe that our reality is any different than what it actually is because of fear. Fear of loss, fear of disappointment, fear of heartbreak, fear of failure. And we end up living lives that are half the potential of what they could possibly be. It pains me. It really, really pains me to see people with all the potential in the world. I see it all the time. But because they don't believe it, because they tell themselves that there's all these excuses, they never get to that. And that is the worst part. Whenever others see in you what you don't see in yourself, because you keep telling yourself that you are anything but that. I want you guys to think about the person who you see in the mirror. Whenever you see yourself dead in the eye and there isn't anybody around and it's just you and that mirror, whenever you get to see yourself, you get to see your flaws and your virtues and everything that you truly are. It's those words that you say, the thoughts that you have about yourself that truly matter, because they enter your subconscious mind. You see here, I'm going to tell you to not lie to yourself. And I don't know what it is that you're lying to yourself about. It could be about your relationship or your business or your potential or your education or your finances. I don't know, and it is not my job to figure that out for you. You know what you're lying to yourself over. But my job here today is to tell you that all those words that you tell yourself, every time you say I am broke, I am not smart, I am ugly, I am not fit enough, I am beautiful, I am intelligent, I am the best entrepreneur. Every time you say I am worthy, I am capable, I am everything I can become. That word I am, it opens up the universe. It allows the universe to manifest those words that you are saying. But not only that, every time you say I am, every time you say something to yourself, it enters your subconscious mind. And your subconscious mind happens to be 90% of your brain. 90% of what goes on in your life happens really in your subconscious mind. That is where it's born. And in order for something to enter your subconscious mind, you have got to say it to yourself enough times. So if you're lying to yourself and you're saying that you're not capable, you're not worthy, you're not lovable, you're not beautiful, you're not handsome, you are not successful, that is your reality. And that sets the tone for the rest of your life. For what you do from here on out, it all depends on the words that you say to yourself. You see, other people can tell you all that they see in you. They see that you're beautiful and worthy and successful, and you have all the skills and all the abilities to become this person, or to have certain relationships, or to reach certain milestones. But if you don't believe it yourself, nobody can do it for you. And that is why I say that whenever you lie to yourself, it is the worst person who you could ever lie to, because you are lying to the only person who is responsible for yourself, and that is you. Now you're probably thinking, all right, now how in the world do I fix this? You have got to keep yourself in check. You have got to allow yourself to have positive thoughts. Focus on what you have, on what you are, and not on what you are not. Now, I'm not going to tell you that things are going to be perfect. I am not going to tell you that things are going to happen overnight and that your mentality is just going to change in a heartbeat, in a blink of an eye, because it's not going to be like that. It takes work, it takes process. I have a video about that and I'll leave it for you right here. But you have to fall in love with the process. You are in full control of your happiness. Regardless of what happens in your life, you have got to stay in control. You have got to take the reins, and you have got to feed your mind. You have got to feed your soul with words that are going to help you get there. So let's say that you are on a roll and you are killing it and you are telling yourself great things of what you are and of what you can become. But then you have that one negative thought, and then you lie to yourself and you cut yourself short and you believe that you are anything less than what you are designed to be, and you catch yourself. Whenever you catch yourself, say 3 positive things and try to cancel out that 1 negative thing. Sometimes we try to compensate. We have a dream so big and so solid, but we're so afraid of it. It goes back to fear disappointment. We fear failure, that we decide to do other things to compensate that big thing that we want. You see, I'm gonna give you my example. I have a dream so big, and I've had it for about 8 years now. I dream of being a world-renowned speaker, and I want to impact millions of lives. It is in my affirmations every single day. But it's something so big, something that I'm so passionate about, that it almost makes me scared. It has made me doubt myself a million times, and for that reason, I have embarked in businesses and in jobs that I don't even like, because I feel like maybe I'll find a little bit of satisfaction in these instead of going for what I really want. But I'm gonna be completely honest with you. Nothing has ever compared to the heart and to the happiness that I feel whenever I think about this goal and this vision that I have. And finally embarking on it, I can promise you that now I can confirm that nothing has ever or will ever compare to what I feel whenever I do what I do. But the only way that it changed, the only way that I actually went for it, was whenever I stopped lying to myself and I told myself that I am capable. And yes, I know I am not Tony Robbins, and I am not Bob Proctor, and I am not Brian Tracy, and I am not Rachel Hollis, but I am Claudia Ramirez. And that is exactly what you have to believe in your heart. Do not compare yourself to anybody else. Do not lie to yourself and tell yourself that you are not worthy and capable of doing that. Start where you are at. Make little changes. Start entering your subconscious mind with those positive thoughts and with those positive affirmations, and change your reality. I promise you that it is all completely up to you. Don't forget to comment down below what you got from this video or what you like about this topic. I would love to hear from you. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to be your best version. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.